Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. On December 7th, 2025, I turned 73 years old. And some of my family and friends say that they think I should consider retiring. So I decided to consult with some doctors to help me to decide what to do. And as I thought, 4 out of 5 doctors agree that at my age, I should slow down and take it easy. Guess we know what that means. I'm gonna have to party with doctor number 5. So hang on for more to come. Thanks for watching Eric Blackman Music.